guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a subscription box unboxing. Absolutely love doing these videos so much. This one is by Confetti Collection. I haven't opened anything yet. I was like super excited about this, but this is how big the box is. I was pretty like shocked when I see this at my doorstep. It's an every other month subscription box, so you can get this 6 times a month. It's only $19.99 a month, or every other month, $19.99 every other month. So per box, it's $19.99. And you can cancel it anytime. But this has like super fun like stationery, and I was like all about it. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so as soon as you open it, I have not like touched anything. This is what it looks like. It has some super fun like packaging. Like, this is super cute. This is a complimentary gift. I have no idea what's in this. So let's see what this is. Some thank you cards. That's adorable, and they come in like 3 different colors. So you get orange, a teal, and a pink. That's cute. Okay, I think I got everything, just so I didn't get that like stuff everywhere. So it looks like you get like a little glass. This is really cute. This is it's plastic, and it's a stemless wine glass. That is so cute. It has little camels on it. It's really pretty and really colorful. That's really cute. And then everything else seems like it comes in a package like this. So we're just gonna rip this on open. This is super exciting. Surprise, best day ever box. That's super cute, first off. That's what it says, surprise, the best day ever box. That is so stinking cute. And everything matches, by the way. So this is so stinking cool. I honestly think if everything is super cool in here, I don't see why. Honestly, you wouldn't want a box like this. So it's, like I said, it's $19.99 a month, and it's a $50 value. So this is the best day ever box. So you get little camel napkins. That's really cute. There is a Color Me notepad. I really love everything so far. I just love how colorful everything is. So this is like what I'm opening right now. So like, this is so neat. So you get like some ribbons, or you get ribbon and you get little bows. This would be super cute for like somebody's birthday. These are little coasters. You get 12 coasters, and they are all different colors. And that's what it looks like when you look in the front. And what do you love? And this is just a little notebook. That is really cute. So it says, what do you, or it says, oh, it says, do what you love. And it is just a little notebook. And it has like tabs and everything on here. This is super cute. Super, super cute. And then also to go along with like this party theme, best day ever bag. That's super cute. And then the last thing in here is coloring file folders. Those are adorable. It has like little tabs on the back side. This is a really fun box. So like I said, I will leave the links in the description box below. So if you'd like to check out Confetti Collection, you will be able to there. But yeah, super fun. I loved this so much. I get way overly excited about little things like this. I love all these like adult coloring type things. They are my favorites. You guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.